Look across the Yarra River from Melbourne's central business district, and you hit Southbank, the city's premier entertainment and cultural heart. A massive 68.1% of Southbank's population are young, highly paid professionals and childless couples, prioritising walking to the CBD. Overlaying recent market data, available vacancies have dropped from over 1,600 to under 200, while weekly rents surged up to 40%. This is a massive structural housing shortage. The demand for premium urban living created a deficit that current construction simply cannot fill. At the same time, the area's physical infrastructure is expanding. A $1.7 billion transformation of the Melbourne Arts Precinct is currently underway, cementing Southbank's status as a globally recognised cultural destination. Right next door, Crown Melbourne is undergoing its own $200 million upgrade, bringing even more capital and lifestyle infrastructure directly into the neighbourhood. This acute collision of low housing supply and massive precinct investment has created a specific market void. The solution engineered to fill it is a highly anticipated, brand new, 24-level development arriving at 38 Clark Street, Cavallo. Securing a residence here provides a direct mechanism to capture the compounded value of a precinct entering a multi-billion-dollar golden era. Bringing a project of this scale to life requires proven industry expertise. It's being developed by LAS Group, who bring over 20 years of inner-city experience, and designed by the architectural firm Fender Katsalidis. Fender Katsalidis are the exact minds behind Melbourne's most iconic existing towers, including Australia 108 and the Eureka Tower, soaring above the skyline here. For Cavallo, they designed an exterior defined by vertical rhythm. Robust brick piers frame recessed balconies, while subtle curvature at the upper levels softens the transition between the building's podium and its tower. Inside, the 1- and 2-bedroom floor plates are engineered to maximize natural light and space. Floor-to-ceiling glazing wraps the primary living areas, pulling the urban landscape directly into the home. This combination of elite design pedigree and contextual architecture defines Cavallo as an enduring landmark that reflects the established character of Southbank. Premium tenants now prioritise a complete integrated lifestyle ecosystem, viewing high-end wellness facilities as a necessity rather than an optional add-on. Cavallo answers this with the Wellness Centre. The core of this private sanctuary is dedicated to aquatic recovery, anchored by a magnesium pool and an invigorating cold plunge. Complementing the water therapies are dedicated heat zones, featuring both infrared and traditional saunas, alongside a state-of-the-art fitness studio for elite physical training. By providing a private, on-site restorative retreat, the building directly solves the high-stress, high-performance lifestyle demands of the Southbank demographic. That makes the property highly desirable and highly sticky for premium renters. This map illustrates the geographic leverage of 38 Clark Street by looking at its immediate 5-minute walkable radius. The building sits just 50 metres away from Crown Melbourne, granting residents 24/7 access to luxury retail and over 50 award-winning dining venues. For daily conveniences and nature, it's a 600-metre walk to the edge of the Yarra River and just 650 metres to the fresh produce of the historic South Melbourne market. The location also provides a direct 1.3-kilometre link to the Arts Precinct, offering easy access to the city's finest galleries and theatres, like the National Gallery of Victoria, shown here. Placing a residence precisely at this intersection essentially absorbs the entirety of Melbourne's premium cultural and lifestyle offerings right into its own footprint. This visualises the true scale of the opportunity. The macro weight of 26 million annual precinct visitors and a structural rental shortage presses against a strictly capped supply, just 188 units in the entire tower. This alignment secures a high-yield, strategic advantage for investors. For the buyer, this means securing a lifestyle of effortless connection and wellness at the precise intersection of the Yarra River, the city skyline, and the Arts Precinct. Opportunities of this calibre and location are exceedingly rare. Contact the sales team today to request a brochure, review the floor plans, and secure your residence at Cavallo Southbank.
If this made the numbers make sense, do me one favour. Hit subscribe. I break down a brand new Australian property play, just like this, every single week.